Noelle framework includes a web application that provides instant web-based access to update and maintain the information contained in your databases. You might be wondering, what exactly is a database? A database is simply a software program that can interact with other programs to store and analyze information. These other programs can be web applications, desktop programs such as Microsoft Outlook, or even apps from an app store like Android Marketplace. All of these programs, in one way or the other, interact with a database to store and retrieve application-specific information. Looking further, the data inside a database is organized into what's called tables. A table is similar to a spreadsheet in Excel. It has columns that have predetermined types and rows that represent the information in the column. Let's say your business could benefit from storing information about your customer accounts. If your data was stored in a database, you could access the account information securely and easily from anywhere in the world with the Noelle application. In our example here, we have a table called TBL_account. This table contains various columns that would relate to a sample account. And if we expand on this example, take for example a banking website. You would type in your username and password into the website's webpage, and behind the scenes what the web page is doing is it's going to the database, it's looking up your username and password and looking up the account associated with that credential, and then it's ultimately saving this information and sending it back to the web page to display to you. As you can imagine, building these types of custom web pages is time consuming and very expensive. For the majority of small to medium sized businesses, you have one of two options: either buy an off the shelf software product and deal with the shortcomings of the product, or you can hire a programming staff to build the exact software that you need. Neither is really a good or cost-effective option. But really, this is where we really start to see the Noelle application come alive. By installing Noelle, you can have instant read, write, update, and delete access to the tables in your database in just a few minutes. Ultimately, no matter what type of business you're in, you have information that needs to be stored, be it customer account information, accounts payable, accounts receivable, maybe it's sales leads. There's some information proprietary to how you run your business that you need to keep somewhere. Sometimes it's stored in a spreadsheet. Sometimes it's stored in text files. But essentially, what a database brings is instant portability. And by putting the Noelle framework, installing this application in just a few minutes, it provides instant access to it and a very easily configurable series of web pages that can enable your business to do things it could never do before. Because of our advanced programming techniques, the pages in the Noelle web application are visible and compliant on tablets, every tablet out there, every smartphone out there, and desktop computers. When we get down to brass tacks, the real value that the application provides is the ability for the software that runs your business for it to grow with your business. As your business need changes, be it new business ventures or lines of business, Noelle application can adapt to those changing needs easily and quickly, all done without any programming knowledge required. I hope that you've really found this short slide informational, and I hope that it paints a picture of what a data-enabled business can do. If you'd like more information or perhaps a free in-house trial of our software, be sure to reach out to us on our website, www.noelleframework.com.